There's no point of making YouTube videos if you can't get views or sales from your YouTube video, especially as a new YouTuber going against all the competition in your niche, let alone the entire YouTube platform. Today I'm going to show you how to get paid from YouTube now while you grow your YouTube channel. Stick around. Hi, I'm Ronnie and this is DadSTARTS YouTube. Today I'm going to show you how to get paid from YouTube right now without 1,000 subs and or 10,000 hours of watch time. First, you've got to think outside the box. Now, I know you've been struggling to find the perfect keywords, titles, and phrases and tags to get your videos ranked and discovered on YouTube. Maybe you've even tried and tested thumbnails or tried to ride the waves of trends or even tried to model what's working for bigger established YouTubers. And still, nothing is really working. You're posting to Facebook groups, timelines, IG posts, you're tweeting on Twitter and getting no results. You're getting discouraged because you're starting to realize that this is hard and it takes a lot of time. Right now, you might be blaming your own content or thinking maybe if I had a better camera, audio mic and lighting, or editing software. In fact, you may be so discouraged that you may be at the point that you have become so desperate that you think you have to change your entire content, your niche, your uniqueness altogether, and create content that you don't like but what is popular and gets views and subscribers. That's not it. Be yourself and do what you love. Remember why you started. You can use what you have and do what you love to get insane views and subscribers and get paid for it without 1,000 subscribers or 10,000 hours of watch time. You just got to think outside the box, or as I would like to say myself, think outside the tube. You just need a video sales funnel. It's sort of like a digital office room where your audience can come in, sit down, and get to know you and only you without any distractions. And it's through this video sales funnel is how you'll be able to build your fan base through leads, get automatic views, consistent subscribers, and most important, generate sales and monetize your YouTube channel without meeting YouTube's requirements. If you keep watching, I'm going to give you a link where you can download and get the exact same strategy I use and others. But how does it work? It all starts with your video content on the web. YouTube is the web and is also connected to Google. Most YouTubers don't maximize the full power of that. Your videos should be designed to engage your audience and their attention and motivate them to click the link that leads straight to your website. On your website, your visitors will see your lead magnet. This could be a free offer, a webinar series, a coupon, whatever you want. The point is, your visitor is exchanging their name and email address to get this lead offer. Once they do this, this is called lead generation. This leads to more views, subscribers, and potential sales. Master this and you're going to crush your competition. But it gets freaking better. You can feed them more content by having them visit a thank you page. On that page, you'll direct your lead to more content where they should continue engaging and check their email to receive their lead magnet offer. Now, since you have their emails, you can send them well-crafted and designed emails every day with new content that will encourage them and nurture them and invite them to your main offer. Your main offer will be on your sales page. Now, this is where your lead becomes a sale. Now, your offer can be a product, a course, or even an affiliate links. The ideas are endless. Now, each sales page is different for every niche and content creator. But the point is, you have increased your reach, engagement, gained views and subs, and boosted the level of commitment from your leads. And it doesn't have to stop right there. Once they buy from you, you can lead them to a confirmation page where you can thank them for their order or offer them one-time offers, upsells, bumps. Man, it can keep going on and on and on and on. But it's through this system is how I've been able to generate thousands of dollars with passive income every day. So if that excites you and you want to do exactly what I'm doing, exactly the way I did it, look down in my description where you will see a link to a free download and blueprint that will teach you exactly how to do that. And if you like this channel and my content, please like, share, and subscribe. And leave a comment down below if you have any questions, and I'll be glad to answer them, not ask you. Once again, thanks for joining me. My name's Ronnie. This is Dad Starts, and have a great day.